In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam for brainstorming. We'll move from a blank slate to a clear, organized idea board using FigJam's built-in tools to get there quickly and cleanly. First, head to figma.com and log into your account. Once you're on your workspace dashboard, create a fresh board by choosing the option to start a new file and selecting FigJam from the upper right. This opens a collaborative whiteboard designed specifically for brainstorming. If you like, give the file a simple, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Now you have two great ways to kick off your brainstorm: templates or AI. Templates are handy if you want a ready-made structure like a mind map or a problem-solving framework. They come pre-formatted so you can drop in ideas right away. For this walkthrough, though, I'll use AI to jumpstart the content automatically. Open the AI panel in FigJam and type your prompt. Keep it clear and specific. State your goal, the audience or context, and any constraints. For example, you might say, generate brainstorming ideas for a product launch focused on eco-conscious customers, organized into categories: messaging, channels, and quick wins. The more precise your prompt, the more useful the output will be. Avoid including any sensitive or personal information. Keep it generic and focused on the task. When the AI returns results, review the board it creates. You'll see ideas grouped into sticky notes or clusters. This is your starting point. Now edit it to fit your needs. Drag notes around to create a flow that makes sense to you. Rename headings so they match your project's language. Delete anything irrelevant and rewrite notes that need more clarity. If you see duplicates, combine them into a single, stronger idea. Add detail where it helps. You can split broad ideas into smaller, actionable pieces, or merge small items into a big theme. Use color to signal priorities or categories. One color for immediate actions, another for ideas to explore later. Draw quick connectors between related notes to show relationships. If a section is getting crowded, create a new area of the board and move that cluster there for breathing room. Zoom in to polish the wording on key items, and zoom out to check the overall structure. By the end, you should have a board that reflects your goals, with ideas grouped logically and the most important items standing out clearly. That's it. Log in, create a FigJam file, choose templates or AI, prompt the AI, and tailor the results until they fit perfectly.